Cable replacement. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but useful phrase, cable replacement. This might sound technical, but it's a phrase you might encounter in everyday scenarios, especially related to technology or repairs. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Cable replacement refers to the process of removing an old or damaged cable and installing a new one. Cables are wires or groups of wires enclosed in insulation and are used for transmitting electricity or telecommunication signals. Common examples where you might hear this term include computer cables, phone chargers, or television cables. The phrase can be broken down into two parts. Cable, a wire or set of wires, encased in insulation, used for transmission of electricity or data. Replacement, the action of replacing something that is worn out, outdated, or no longer functional. To help you understand better, let's see how cable replacement can be used in sentences. 1. The technician is here for the cable replacement. This implies that a technician has arrived to change a cable. 2. Due to frequent outages, the company decided to go for a complete cable replacement in the office. Here, it refers to replacing all the cables in a facility. 3. I need to buy a new phone charger. It's time for a cable replacement. This sentence uses the phrase in a personal context, indicating the individual's action to replace a cable. Cable replacement is not just limited to physical cables. In a broader sense, it can be used in various contexts. In technology, referring to replacing cables in gadgets, computers, or servers. In construction or utilities, it might refer to replacing electrical wiring in a building or power lines. Variations of the phrase include wire replacement or line replacement, depending on the type of cable and the context. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase cable replacement and how you can use it in different scenarios. Remember, it's not just a technical term. It can be quite handy in everyday conversations, especially in our increasingly technology-driven world. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using it like a pro. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.